Okay, this is a video for the GIS contest of Supermap. As we can observe, we are using the Supermap Desktop 10i. Here we will try to map the chikungunya disease in Andrés Ibáñez province in the Santa Cruz department in the year 2016. For this, we are using different data sources. For the country boundaries, we downloaded from the Harvard Library of Harvard Geospatial Library. The municipalities and departments were downloaded from Geo Bolivia that also have geospatial information of my country. And the epidemiological situation of chikungunya disease in 2016 was downloaded from the Ministry of Health of Bolivia that developed different reports every week of the year through this departmental service of health in each department. In this case, we are using data from Santa Cruz department. And okay, this is our map. As we can observe here, I already have a working space set with all my data sources, the Bolivia data sources of the boundaries of the country and the department and the province, Andrés Ibáñez province. And in this case, if I want to create a map, here I have all the maps that I developed of the epidemiological situation in Andrés Ibáñez. But if I want to create a new map, I have to go there. And as we can observe, I can select all the data sets that I already charged in this working space. I select all. I click OK. And I have the country boundaries, the departmental boundary that in this case is Santa Cruz, is the biggest department of the 9 departments of Bolivia. And we have the province that is the Andrés Ibáñez province. Okay, if I will have a web map, I can charge it here. As we can observe in my working space, I am using the OpenStreetMap. And we can ask to add this OpenStreetMap to my map of the epidemiological situation. Okay, if I want to change the style of my map of all my shape files, I can come here, layer properties. Okay, I select the style label. And I can choose all the colors that I want. I will set transparency. Okay, the line size, in this case 0.8 of Bolivia, the shapefile of Bolivia. We can do the same thing with the department of Santa Cruz. Okay, I select color, I select a transparency, I select the size of the line for the boundaries, and we can do the same thing with the Andrés Ibáñez province. Okay, here we select a color, we select the transparency, and the size of the line. Okay. If I want to review the epidemiological data, we construct this data set with the report of the Ministry of Health of 2016 in this area in Andrés Ibáñez. And we can also change the style of the size of the marker, the color, okay. And also I can filter the data. For example, this is all the cases that were reported in different health establishments in Andrés Ibáñez province for all the year 2016. But if I want to only observe the cases of October, I can select a filter. I can click OK, and I will only see the health establishments that report cases of chikungunya for the month of October in 2016. Okay. And with that information, I can create layouts with this information, this important information. For example, here I create a distribution heat map of the suspected cases of chikungunya in our study area in 2016. And we can observe here that the concentration of all the suspected cases are in this point, that is the municipality of Santa Cruz de la Sierra. And we can observe here what is our study area. As I already mentioned, we are working with data of Bolivia, specifically of the Department of Santa Cruz. And we can observe that the red dots are the cases of chikungunya for that year in our study area. And I can develop these kind of maps also with the epidemiological situation from January to April of 2016, since we can observe that the months that present more cases reported for the health establishments were to January to April of 2016. We can observe the geographic distribution of this chikungunya disease. If we compare, for example, with the map that we developed with the information of October, we can observe that the number of reported cases decreases. And that's all for this GIS contest. Thank you very much.